Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting pairing now. Make sure the truck is in ACC or ONSO sync is active. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and tap the Ford device name when it appears. Once you select the vehicle, a PIN shows on both screens. Confirm it matches. This step links identification and security between devices, so don't skip the PIN check. After confirmation, allow sync to access calls and media when prompted. That grants permissions needed for hands-free calling and streaming. Once paired, authorize contacts and messages so caller ID and recent calls appear on your screen. This improves safety and convenience. Make sure media audio is enabled if you want music or podcasts through the truck speakers. If your phone doesn't show or the pairing stalls, clear paired devices on sync and your phone, then retry. This resolves most conflicts. Also check the phone's Bluetooth visibility timeout and the vehicle software version. Outdated sync software can block modern phones. You're almost done. Set your phone as the primary device in sync so it auto-connects when you enter. Test a call and play a song to confirm audio routing and microphone pickup. Use steering wheel controls or voice commands to verify functionality. If something fails, reboot the phone and turn the truck off then on, then repair. This clears transient Bluetooth errors. If problems persist, delete the device on both ends and start the pairing process from the first step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.